Hello, good afternoon, Jovel. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, ma'am and sir. Good afternoon. My name is Jovel G. Corrales. I'm 38 years old. I'm married. I have one child, 9 years old. I live in Santo Niño, San Pascual, Batangas. My work experience is I have a caregiver in Qatar. The elderly, 66 years old, is bedridden. Then I work is taking a shower with the medicine, give the food, and clean the room, clean the clothes of my aba.
Okay.
Then if I have a free time, also I clean the outside my room. Then
You also have experience in Singapore?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So,
In Singapore, ma'am, I already cared a 2 months baby for 5 years.
okay.
Just only taking care of baby. Then especially I give milk, taking shower. Then go to the playground if I have a free time, and go to the mall. Bring the school and pick up after the school. Then
So, why, what made you decided to work in Hong Kong?
because I see the Hong Kong a nice place and nice people. Then my aunts also are here in Hong Kong. That's why she tell me na you come here to Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is very nice country.
Okay. So, you mentioned that you took care a 2 months old baby in Singapore. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what are the important things that you need to do when taking care of the baby?
I take care of the baby with 2 months old very carefully. Even take a shower. You must handle too much love.
Okay.
Then the baby I take care in Singapore has too much allergy in the body. That's why I take care very carefully. I use the medicine for the skin,
Okay.
and I give the proper food like vegetable.
Okay.
Then,
So, how about if elderly care? So, you also experience it. What are the important things that you need to do?
the elderly madam, I think bedridden. This one I also give the proper medicine prescribed by the doctor. Then every day she take a shower. Then if the bedridden, I do it myself to transfer left and right. Then if the bed can sit down, I do it sit down.
Okay. So, can you also cook?
Not really, madam.
Not really. But, in case we will give you a recipe,
I learn, madam.
you can learn how
Yes.
to cook. Okay. So, have you experienced sharing room with the kids or elderly?
Yes, madam.
Okay. So, in case, if that will be the case of the job offer, are you willing to accept it?
Yes, madam.
No worries on that?
No.
Okay. How about if you have a co-helper?
Co-helper, I'm not experienced it yet.
Okay.
But it's good. It's okay with me.
It's okay to you also. Okay. So, can you promise us not to borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Message for your future employer.
If I hire you, madam, sir, I do my best at my work, and I promise I handle your family with love and care. Thank you so much.